So as you can see, we have successfully installed our theme on our WordPress website, and as you can see, it is looking very attractive and professional. So this is the power of WordPress, how easily without any coding we can customize and create our websites. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on WP Punch. So in the previous video we have learned how to install the localhost on our system and then how to install WordPress on that localhost in order to create the website. So if you have not watched that video, then consider watching that video before watching the current video. So in today's video we are going to learn how to install theme in WordPress. So if you are interested in learning how to easily create a website using WordPress, then consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I upload a video. So without further any delay, let's jump into the video. So first of all, we need to start our XAMPP server. So go to the directory where you have installed the XAMPP server. In my case, I am installed in the F directory. Then here it is, XAMPP control. Let's make it the shortcut of this on the desktop. Send to desktop. So now double click on it. And remember, we need to open the Apache and MySQL. We need to start these services before using the localhost. So we need to start Apache and MySQL. So after the two services has been started, then you can go to the web browser and then type in the URL localhost / the name of your website. Remember, the name of the website was DemoWeb. Hit enter, and here it is our website. So in order to open the dashboard of our website, you need to type localhost / demowebsite / wp-admin. So remember guys, if you want to open the dashboard of your website, then you need to type wp-admin after the name of your website. So hit enter. So now our dashboard has been opened and it is showing us various of the options. For example, posts, media, pages, comments, appearance. In appearance there are many other subcategories, plugins, users, tools, settings. Don't worry, you are going to get familiar with all of these options in the coming videos. So right now we are interested in changing the theme of our WordPress website. So in order to change the theme of our site, go to appearance and then go to themes. Click on it, and here it is showing us the 3 default themes that are provided by the WordPress to us. Right now this theme is activated and you can check it. This is a theme which is activated right now, and you can, if you want to apply these themes, then you can also click on them to activate. For example, if I activate this type of theme, then you can check the site and you have to refresh it in order to see the visual changes. So you can see that the theme has been changed. So what if we want to add a new theme? If we don't like these predefined themes and we want to add the new themes, so for that go to the add new options, and then it will redirect us to the page of the themes where it is showing us various free themes that are available to our WordPress website. So we can install any of these themes to our site. It is showing us various of the featured themes, popular. So you can choose according to your need and desire. Whatever theme you want, you can choose. So there are many options available as per the need and requirement of the user. For example, if you want to create a website on the e-commerce website, then here it is there is a theme for commerce website. There is a theme for the blog magazine if you want to create a website related to magazines and blogs, and there are various types of themes that are available. So right now we can choose any of the theme. For example, we will select this theme to install it, and to install a theme, simply just click on install button and it will start installing the theme. And I want to tell you that the themes that are installed goes to the htdocs folder. Do you remember the htdocs folder? The same folder where we have copied the files of the WordPress website. So I will also show you how to install the theme directly to the htdocs folder if you are not able to install the theme from here. So right now you can see that the theme has been installed. Then in order to activate that theme to our website, you just need to click on activate. By clicking on it, it will just apply to the our website. So after going to the website, just click on the refresh button and you can see the theme has been applied to our website. So now I want to tell you a second method to install the theme on the site. Due to some reason, it is possible that you are not able to install the theme through the dashboard. So how you can install it through the Google? Just type on the Google download themes for WordPress. For WordPress website. Hit enter and then click on this link wordpress.org. So it will open the official page of the WordPress themes, and here it will also show the same themes that were visible to us on the dashboard page. So from here now you can also download the themes, any of the theme that you want to install. For example, I want to install this theme, so just click on the download button and then it will start the downloading. Select the directory, for example I am saving the theme in desktop, and then click save. So the download has been started, it is in the zip format, so just wait till the download has been completed. So after the download has been completed, just go to the directory where you have downloaded the theme. So I have downloaded in the download folder and compressed. So here is the theme. You need to extract it here. You need to extract the files of the theme. Click on OK, and it is extracting all the files. So now this folder contains the files of the themes. So these are the files. So what you have to do now, just copy this folder and then go to the XAMPP directory. Here it is, and then go to the htdocs. Go to the your website folder. In our case it is demo web. Go to WP content. Go to themes and just paste it here. So what is this is that this is a folder where all the themes are ultimately installed. So the themes which we have installed through the dashboard, this is the Wellington theme, so it is also present here, and you can add any of the theme which you can download from the Google and then just simply paste it here, and the theme will reflect back to the dashboard. So go to the web browser and then go to your dashboard, click on refresh, and then you can see that the new theme will be available here. So as you can see, this is a new theme which we have downloaded from the Google, and if we click on activate, then it will be reflected back to our website. So after, if we go to our website and click on refresh button, then you can see that this is the new theme which we have installed successfully from the Google. So now we have successfully installed the theme on our WordPress website. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to learn how to add pages, menus, categories, images, galleries, and a lot more interesting stuff is going to come in the later videos. So if you are liking the videos, then please hit the like button, share with your friends, and consider subscribing to the channel for getting more stuff related to the WordPress. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.